Hello, all. Welcome again to the new episode of Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. Today, after the Bank Nifty yearly forecast, we are doing Nifty 50 forecast for the year 2026. So, as you can see, this is a daily chart of the Nifty 50. We took supports along the base of the square in March. Again, we dipped just below it and then recovered. Once we came up on the one by one angle, the rally started and it lasted till 30th June after hitting a high of 25,669.35, which was the major resistance, third section of the square. And then we moved along the 50% angle, which is the 1 by 2 angle coming from the top. If we square the lows of the start of the square. Now we had a fall along this angle as resistance and took support along the center of the square. Then we formed a second higher low on 29th August around 24404.70, and this was the higher low on the 1 by 4 angle, 50% 1 by 4 angle. And from there we went to the cluster zone, making a double top around the important date of 30 October, where we finish the square and start a new square. Now, after this high, we dropped again to important Gann level around 25 to 70 odd. We made a low here at 25,318.45 on 7/11/2025. Then we went and made a new high around 26 to 80.75 on 1st of December. So it is 325. My mistake. It is 326 325.80 on 1st of December. And we are down for the whole month. Now we again came to the support level here around 25,700 important Gann level, and then we bounce back again to make a lower high, a double top around 26 to 33 and 26 to 36, and with that we are coming down to the close of the year. Today we have closed at 25,942. So on Nifty, 25,700 remains the important level to watch, below which the trend will be down. Okay. Now we have moved out of the shadow of this angle with a gap up, and now we are within this circle. Okay, we are within this circle. The cluster date coming here is 7th of January 2026, which is an important date to watch at the start of the year. Next date is coming at 30th January. Another date is coming at 17/3/2026, near about 16/3/2026. So this is an important Gann date at the start of the Gann new year. So we need to hold the 25,700 level till this date. If we drop below this 25,700 level, or the exact level on the Gann square is 25,680 odd, okay, then we could find support around the cluster levels of 25,265 and 25,060. We have a bottom at 25,679 on 7th of November 2025. So this one support is there, and one support is the resistance taken here at 25,448.55 on 18/9/2025. So once we move out of this shadow of the circle, we will know the structure of Nifty. Okay. So we have support around this one by one angle moving ahead. If we don't drop below this, then till March, if we held 25,700 or 680 levels, then it could be good for Nifty to move along this angle. Going ahead, if we drop below this angle, we will lose momentum. We could have support around this level of 25,680 and drop below. We will be taking support on this falling angle. Okay. So we have two levels coming in at 1st of May. One is 25 to 67 and other is 2600, 26,100. Okay. So we have to stay above this level before May for this bull run to continue. If we stay below this till May, then we will be taking resistance along this line and again coming on this 25,680 level around the August levels. Okay. So we need to stay above this one by one for the momentum to continue. Okay. Then we have this steep rising angle coming in at the 1/4 of the square. If we form a panic bottom around here, then we could move sharply up around this angle also. Next date is coming at 31/7/2026. Again, the levels are pretty same. Okay. So anything above this, okay, anything above this level of 26,300 after 1st of August, okay, after 1st of August could be the momentum area. Okay. Then we come to the cluster dates of 7th October or 8th October and 30th October. Okay. By this, we should take out this square level of 26,910 odd level, and then we could move on to the next square. Okay, we can move on to the next square. So if we move in the next square, then we are having the target of 2027 here. Okay, 2027 target could be 31,840 odd levels max. And if we come to the 50% level, it could be 3,200. Okay, it could be 3,200. And we need to stay above this 26,920 for the Nifty growth to happen in the year 2026. Okay, so major dates again, we will see the Gann 50% date is coming at 31/7/2026. Then important date is next is 30th October and final date will be this, that is 16/12/2026. So maximum target for this year could be around 31,800 odd levels. Medium target could be around 29,400, and then if we stay sideways, then 26,900 could be the target for this whole year. So we need to watch Nifty movement as along we move in this square. So I will be updating this on the coming videos. whenever we cross an important level. So that's all from my side for Nifty 50 for the year 2026. Thank you for joining in. Have a great year ahead, 2026, and keep watching our YouTube channel, Gann Supremacy, for further updates all for all the